Matapos i-anunsyo ng Vice Presidente ang planong tumakbo sa 2028 presidential elections, sinabi ngayon ng Pangulo na may mga kinakausap na siyang posibleng i-endorsong maging kapalit pagkatapos ng kanyang termino. Isa sa mga hinahanap niya, taong nakakaunawa sa ekonomiya. Kung bakit sa pagtutok ni Bernadette Reyes.
Pabiro pang sumagot noong una pero maya-maya'y naging seryoso ang sagot ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos sa tanong sa kung may gustong i-endorsong maging kapalit niyang Pangulo sa 2028.
Have you already narrowed it down to about 2 or 3?
You're going to get me into trouble. We have some people that we are talking to in mind. Many of them actually, some of them have said, no, I do not
From the
want.
Sabi ng Pangulo, mula sa gobyerno ang ilan sa mga kandidato na napupusuan niya. Bagaman hindi niya ito dapat limitahan.
You cannot limit yourself to government.
Yeah.
But of course, it's much harder to bring to a presidential level someone who has not been involved in politics ever. It happens, but it's not that easy, especially in the highly political atmosphere that we have here in the Philippines.
Pero hindi pa anya ito ang panahon para mag-endorso ng susunod sa kanya bilang Pangulo.
And you will endorse this person very soon?
Not soon. Not soon. Not soon. The timing is everything.
Ayon kay Pangulong Marcos, mahalaga ng susunod na Pangulo na kakaunawa sa usaping may kinalaman sa ekonomiya. Halimbawa na lamang, kailangan may kakayanan na makalikha ng mga bagong trabaho at may kaalaman kung paano mapapanatiling mababa ang presyo ng mga produkto at serbisyo.
Number one, somebody who understands economics. Someone who thinks about productivity. Those are the kind of people that you need, that we need, are the people who actually are thinking about not politics, but how to make the country better.
Sa ngayon, sabi ng Pangulo, nakatutok siya sa mga pagbabago para gawing mas madaling mamuhunan sa bansa at nararamdaman na raw ito ng mga Pilipino.
I'm here to do these structural changes so that the Philippines becomes more investment friendly. And we are starting to feel the effects of that, the beneficial effects of that. If we do not elect a like-minded president in 2028, all of these will just go by the wayside.
Para sa GMA Integrated News, Bernadette Reyes, nakatutok 24 oras.